So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Noise Free campaign we go about looking at how we can start a secret chat within Telegram. Now before we begin, it's important to understand what a secret chat is. So when you send a message via secret chat, the message is totally encrypted. That means only you or the person you send can see the message. Now what happens is in normal Telegram, when you actually send messages, those messages are not encrypted, which means that other than you and the user that you are sending the message to, other people can also read the message. If you don't want that to happen, what you need to do is you need to start the secret chat. Now for doing that, what you do is you first tap on the user that you want to send like a message via secret chat. So if I want to send it to say driver Arijit, so I need to first open up driver Arijit and then I need to open up his profile. So I need to tap on this icon of his so that I can see his details, but his number will be visible. So I will just pause it here for a while. So I simply tap on it, and now the three dots at the top, I need to tap on that. So as soon as I tap on the three dots, you can see that there is this option of start a secret chat. So I need to simply tap on start a secret chat and the secret chat initiates. So I simply tap on this and it says, are you sure that you want to invite the person for a secret chat? And I simply say start and you can see that it starts. And it writes here that the secret chats actually uh, permits end-to-end encryption, leaves no trace on servers, have a self-destruct timer, do not allow forwarding. So all this is possible if you send messages via secret chat, and therefore this facility or this feature is important to know. So if you have been using Telegram app, what I would advise is, in case you're concerned about privacy, go ahead and start a secret chat with the person you are sending messages to, and then all the messages that you are sending via Telegram should be encrypted, and that means only you and the person that you are sending to would be able to see those messages, and it does not leave any trace on the servers. You can use self-destruct timers. We will see on all of that, but this is just a tutorial for how you can use a secret chat feature on Telegram. So in case you like our video or tutorials, kindly consider subscribing and we'll be meeting you with the next one.